10 Great Discoveries of India which were adopted by the whole world. India's civilization is considered to be the oldest civilization in the world. When people of India were studying novels and the rest of the world was living in caves, some inventions of India are used today in the whole world. The credit for discovering zero goes to India. Aryabhatta, the great mathematician of India, discovered zero. He used the sign of zero first time. Shampoo has been used in Ayurveda for thousands of years. Ayurvedic shampoo was made from herbs. The word shampoo is born from the Hindi word shampoo. The oldest buttons in history have been found during the excavation of the Indus Valley civilization. Buttons were made from bone and wood. Chess is born from the square. The square was a game that was born during the Gupta period. Snake ladder is a very old game of India. It reached England during the British era, and then reached America in 1943. In 2000 BC, a great Vaidya of Sushrut was present in India. Sushruta was an expert in plastic surgery, considered to be the world's first surgeon. Toilet is used throughout the world. Mohenjo-daro got flush toilet during excavation. All these toilets were connected with a tank through the drains. The diamond excavation started in India almost 5,000 years ago. For many thousand years, India was the only country to produce diamonds. Many people believed that there was water on the moon. But no one could say this from any claim. In 2014, images sent by the satellite of Chandrayaan of India proved that water is present on the moon. The inventor of the writing was in India in 3000 BC. Then it was made from ashes.